All right, thanks. I'm Keith. This is Ryan. We're with Team Checkout. So we've been talking to a lot of small businesses and pro advisors lately. A lot of businesses that are either brand new and just want to start selling online, or existing businesses that haven't sold online yet and want to start selling online. And what we're finding is that there's a very large jump that those businesses have to make to actually start putting their product online and selling. So they have this whole process of finding a shopping cart and finding a payment provider and getting your QuickBooks items imported into the shopping cart and figuring out how to get that data back down to QuickBooks as well. And it's just a process that's really technically arduous and maybe beyond the reach of some small business owners when they're first getting going. So what we wanted to try and do was sort of short circuit that process and find the quickest possible way for a business already using QuickBooks Online to just get their product online and be able to run a customer through that checkout and have them purchase product right away. So what we built is QuickBooks Checkout. From right within QuickBooks, you can go ahead and drop into the app. It'll immediately bring you a list of the products that you already have in QuickBooks Online. And let you start to set those up so that they're available for online checkout. We're going to go ahead and choose our pest control product here and allow someone to purchase this. So you'll click continue. You can see the data that's from within QuickBooks already. If you want to change it, you can go ahead and modify whatever you need to before you put it out there online. If you want to leave it at its defaults, that's fine. As soon as you hit that continue button, we're going to give you two things. One, we're going to give you a link that you can start tweeting out or putting out on social media. People can follow that link and will be able to check out and purchase those products online immediately. We'll also give you a little snippet of HTML here. So if you want to go ahead and copy and paste that into your website or into your WordPress blog or whatever it is, that's going to create a nice little buy now button like this right on your website that your customers can click and start purchasing online. So from the customer perspective, what they're going to see when they follow that link or when they click that buy now button is a nice hosted payment form that's already customized with your information, shows the product information that they're purchasing. They can go ahead and fill out this nice clean one-page checkout form online. It's already tied in with your QuickBooks and it's already tied in with your Intuit Payments account as well. So as soon as they click that button, it's going to go ahead and process that credit card payment and then push all that information back to QuickBooks as well. Send the customer a receipt, show the customer a receipt online, and then send you an email notification as well so that you can go and follow up on that order and go from there. If we walk over to QuickBooks and look for this customer, we'll see that that new sales receipt has been created. It's going to have all the information that the customer, all the customer information, then all the sales receipt information that you would sort of expect to see there as well. So you have about a 2-minute process right there where just within 2 minutes we were able to go ahead and get a signed online checkout form all ready and good to go, and you can start selling online immediately.
Yeah, I'm on. So I actually own a manufacturing business selling products, and our issue is that we have lots and lots of SKUs, lots and lots of products.
Yep.
And going through that one at a time is a nightmare. So bulk importation, the ability to automatically populate a vast array of products.
Yep, and that's certainly something that could be done in a future release. Our real focus was on sort of a newer business that's just getting started. If you already have 1,000 SKUs, chances are you're probably not this target market, right? You may want a little bit of a fuller-fledged shopping cart solution. But for a newer business that you're just starting out, maybe you have 10 or 15 products and you have a little WordPress website or something, you need a quicker way to get going than a full-fledged, full-blown shopping cart solution.
So how do you think about as customers graduate, right?
Yeah.
Move on to Shopify and BigCommerce or
Great
their
question.
own
So
sites?
part of what we'd like to do is use this as a little bit of a feeder for another existing app we have, which is a little bit more of a full-fledged type solution. So this is sort of the, okay, stage one, you're just getting started, and then as you grow, okay, we can grow with you and move you over to this other platform or help you migrate, which has a little bit more features and more of what you're looking for there.
So how do you plan on making money off of this? Is it subscription based or like per button?
What we'd like to do is like a percentage of the purchase price. So take a small percentage, almost like a credit card processor, from that merchant. And then again, also you sort of use it as a feeder for other app as well. Thanks.